Hello and welcome back to another makeup tutorial showing you how to get this look. So if you're someone who really loves Christmas but you don't really know how to do your makeup that well and you want something really simple and easy, this is the video for you. So I'm just going to be showing you how to create this look just using some red eyeshadow, but you can also use green if you want to, and then just add either pink or red lipstick. And that's all you really need to do to create this look. It's really easy and simple. I just created something that matches my top, but you can do anything that you want depending on where you're going, whether this is just Christmas at home with your family or going to a Christmas event. This is a really easy, cute look, perfect for just going out somewhere where you want to kind of feel a bit festive. So let's get into the video. Today I'm going to be showing you a Christmas makeup look. So after you have washed your face and kind of done whatever you need to do before putting on your makeup, you're then going to start by putting on a concealer. If you have zits or pimples or just things on your face that you want to cover up, start with that first and then move on to the foundation and everything else. So this is what my concealer looks like. And I got this from Mecca. It does a really good job of doing what it needs to do. So you're just going to want to put that all over your face where you've got some pimples or other things you want to cover up. And then just take a makeup brush and blend it in. So next you're going to go in with some foundation. And then if you want to, you can go in and add some powder, but this is optional. So once you're happy with your makeup look, you're then going to actually add the fun part, which is adding the eyeshadow and the lipstick to create the Christmas look. So just take your eyeshadow palette and pick out a colour that you think matches with what you're trying to do. For me, I'm trying to match it to my top because this is a very Christmas top, but you could do anything that you wanted. You could just do some nice light pinks if you wanted to, or add some green in there, or do red, which is what I'm gonna do, depending on what you want your Christmas look to look like. So you're just gonna take your nice eyeshadow palette and pick a colour, and then you're gonna start just putting on your eyeshadow. Then once you're happy with it, happy with the way it looks, you're going to go in with some lipstick. Just do some nice red lipstick or pink lipstick. You can do anything else that you want, like add eyeliner or other things like that, but that's not what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to be doing a very simple Christmas look. So once I've done my eyeshadow, I'm just going to go in with some red lipstick. Just be careful with red lipstick because it can stain, so just put a little bit on, not too much. And there you go, that is a nice little Christmas look that you can try if you want something pretty simple to match your outfit for a Christmas day or for a Christmas event. Thank you so much for watching another makeup tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, then don't forget to smash it a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends if you liked it. Also, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell to get notified every time I upload a new video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!